Check out this 2009 Audi A8. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle with a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. Reach your destination effortlessly with GPS navigation. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Get advanced listening benefits from the premium sound system. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day, and memory settings are one of many features. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.